It's recommended that all women who are 40 years of age or older have a mammogram. And most women are familiar with mammograms. You come in to have a special x-ray done, and we use a plate that compresses your breasts. That's called a 2D mammogram. Both at our Phoenixville and Limerick locations, we now also offer 3D mammogram. What this is it's a special way of looking at the breast in 3 dimensions instead of 2. This gives the doctors a much better look at the breast tissue, especially for patients who have thicker, denser breast tissue, so we can better evaluate whether or not a cancer exists. The difference between a 2D and a 3D really is about 10 extra seconds of having compression done. So the compression can be a little bit painful, but we just ask you to hang in there an extra 10 seconds or so. You hold your breath, and then we get these extra images. Most insurances do cover the cost of this in full, and it also reduces the need to have other studies done if something is found in a 2D mammogram.